About a year ago, I blew the head gasket on the Sportsman 400. It's a 2014 model. I realized the parts numbers between the 400 and the 500, they shared the same head part number, a lot of other things. So I wanted to see if I could put a Polaris 500 upper cylinder on it and basically have a cheap big bore kit. All the parts are going to be linked in the description that I used on this. Like I said, I did it about a year ago. I stated that I would be making an update video, and I never did. Now, the only issue that I ran into the whole time was, ignore that. That came from the previous owner. They had it all snorkeled, cut all that stuff out. Great people. But anyways, I used the factory carb from the 400. I'm probably losing some horsepower there, but at this point, I mean, it runs and drives. Can't remember the mileage. From last time, but I think I've put about 200, 300 miles on it since then, and it's given me no issues at all. The only thing that I do want to know is this motor is loud. I've heard that that's just a Polaris thing. I've replaced everything. What is it called? The Bendix. The little, basically a starter gear with a spring, and you can kind of hear it rattling. I've replaced timing chain tensioner that's up under there, and I mean it just rattles, but it seems to keep going. So here, I'll do a little start. So yeah, there you go. It's done pretty well. It's beat up. The front rack all stitched up there. I mean, it's muddy. You use it a lot. That's about it.